Hello America, this is Mike from Ocala Trailer. Do you struggle with the ups and downs of running a small business? I have the solution for you. A MaxxD dump trailer with hydraulic power up and power down. Let me show you other great features of these little dump trailers. These MaxxD D7X trailers are the perfect trailer for smaller construction jobs and for the large home repair jobs. These trailers are rated at a GVWR of 12,000 pounds, giving you about 8,500 pounds of load capacity. Now, are you worried? Will the scissor lift be able to lift that loaded up trailer? Sure. We have a 14,000 pound scissor lift here, hydraulic, power up, power down, so you won't have any problems unloading your loads. Concerned about how long this steel trailer will last? Not to worry. Very rugged construction and a 6-stage powder coating process makes this a long-lasting trailer out in the weather. We have tandem 6,000 pound axles here with electric brakes on each wheel. See this right here? Those are ramps. Let me show you how you slide out the ramps. Just an easy pull, and these heavy-duty 5-foot ramps slide right out and hook up right on the edge there, making it easy to load any power equipment, tractors, even some toys, so you can haul them to your next site. Open the doors all the way to quickly dump your whole load, or you can use this as a spreader and set chains at how much you want to open and how much you want, at what rate you want to spread your gravel. Did I not tell you that these dumps can handle a heavy load? Sure can. And let me tell you, this one is a 12-footer, available in Battleship Gray or metallic charcoal. We also have them available in 10-foot, so you have a choice, 10-foot or 12-foot. Just press a button to raise or lower this trailer. Here we go to lower it. Full-size spares are included on all of our trailers, and we have many of these available here at ocalatrailer.com.